Today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean and lube your Rubik's Cube. So, what you're going to need is a screwdriver, some lube, and a toothbrush or something that you're going to brush with. So, first thing, you're going to take apart your Rubik's Cube. Take off that piece, and then you use the screwdriver, and then you unscrew one of the pieces so it's loose, and then the whole thing will just fall apart. And then you'll just take off the pieces. Make sure not to lose any. They all should be able to fall out easily. Okay, so you have your screw and your spring. You're going to put that over here by this. Same with this. And put that over there. So, first, there's two different pieces that you can have. This is a corner piece, and this is an edge piece. My pieces are really dirty. I made them really dirty, so for example. So, first you're going to take all your edge pieces. Okay, so you have your edge pieces. You're going to take your toothbrush, and then you're going to try to scrub off all the dirt spots. If you need to, you can get it a little bit wet, but then I recommend using a towel to dry it off afterwards. Okay, now that you got your edge pieces done, you will move those over to the side and get all your corner pieces scrubbed. So after you've done the pieces, the edge pieces and corner pieces, then you can just quickly scrub the outsides of these. These shouldn't be that dirty. And then you just stick it in, then screw it up. But don't screw it up too tight, or it will be super hard to stick in. Make sure it's loose, maybe a little bit looser. Make sure it's loose enough that you'll be able to fit in the pieces easier, and then you can tighten it more later. And then I'm going to do on the red. You stick it into their spots like this. Now that you've got only one more left, you will grab the lube that you have. And this is just the lube that I have. It doesn't really matter what you have. And then what you'll do is you'll try to stick it on one of the pieces. So I got it in there. And then you'll stick in the last piece. Stick in the last piece. And then I'm going to screw this up a little bit more. I'm going to screw this in so it's tight now. Get the lube. Moving it around will get the lube more in it. If it still feels a little bit not good, then you can just pull apart an edge and like drop some more in there. And then Rub it in some more. And then you'll be done. And that's how you lube and wash your Rubik, clean your Rubik's Cube.